Alright, today I'm taking a look at the Cooluli Infinity 10LG Mini Fridge. This product was sent to me free to test. So the first thing I can say about it, this is a very light fridge, which can be excellent if you're going to try to take it upstairs or anything like that. I can easily pick this up one-handed. Now it is important to note that with any type of refrigeration, if it has been sitting on its side, you want to make sure that you're setting it upright before you turn it on for at least 24 hours. Fortunately, this box has been sitting upright, so I can go ahead and start testing this guy right now. So one thing I do like to see that sometimes they omit on mini fridges is it actually has this sealant right here. So that's going to make sure that when we close this thing, it's going to make a nice seal. We also got a little tray on the door, which is something you don't normally see on mini fridges, so that's very cool. We got our instructions. Oh, that's interesting. So this does come with a regular house outlet plug, so if you want to plug this in your room, you can do that. But it also comes with a car adapter, so if you want to use this thing on the road, you can do that. That's very nice. We got a couple of shelves that are removable, so if you want to just put in a couple of really tall things, we can do that. Or we can just separate that out however the heck we want to. Looks like that will actually be just perfect for a can of soda. And if we take out the top shelf, we could double layer it with a little bit of room on top. But I also really like that this is actually latched. So we don't have to worry about this thing coming open. The only way to open it up is you have to pull this little lever on the side. Now this is pretty cool. They actually designed this after a heat pump. So air conditioners can also heat things up. All you have to do is run it in reverse, and that's what they did here. So you can keep things warm if you want to. So if you're going to a party and you want to bring something with you, you want to make sure that it's warm when you get there, we can actually use this for that, or even just to warm up your lunch if you're going to keep this in your car. So I'm going to keep that on cold. We have a setting for DC and for AC, so if we're going to be putting this in our car, we want to use DC. If we're putting it in the house, we want to use AC. I'm going to be using AC, and this is actually kind of neat. So there is two different ports in here, and the plugs are even shaped different, so that way you're not going to accidentally plug the wrong thing into the wrong slot and send the wrong voltage. They basically made this dummy proof, which is awesome. So I'm going to plug this guy in, and I do like that little handle they got on here. So I did hear the fans kick on in the back. We do got a green light, so we know the thing's on. So right now I'm reading that soda at 72 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and close this guy up, and we'll see what we get. Okay, so it has been a few hours. Nice and chill in there. Oh yeah. So we are now at 48 degrees, 47. So that is a perfect temperature for a soda. And inside the fridge, we're looking at around 39. So yeah, that is working great. That is an awesome little mini fridge, and I really like this. Just the size and the portability is probably the biggest things about it, and it's kind of deceivingly large too. It's like 4 on the bottom, 4 on the top, so about 8 sodas in there. So not too bad. And a couple of candy bars there on the side. So yeah, that is an awesome little fridge.